In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot Pro in Microsoft 365. By the end, you'll have Copilot ready inside your favorite Microsoft 365 apps so you can get AI assistance right where you work. Start by opening any Microsoft 365 app you use regularly. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, or OneNote all work. You can do this on Windows or Mac, and even the web version support Copilot when your subscription includes it. Opening a familiar app keeps things simple and lets you confirm Copilot is available in the place you'll use it most. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to install the latest updates so the Copilot controls appear as expected. Next, make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account that has Copilot Pro. This is important because features are tied to the account, not just the device. Check the profile area in the app's top corner to confirm you're using the account associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription and the Copilot Pro add-on. If you see a different account, switch to the correct one. If you're using a work or school account, keep in mind that Copilot for organizations may be managed by your admin and can look slightly different. Once you're signed in, head into the app's settings. Open the File menu, then choose Settings. Depending on your platform and app, this might appear as Options on Windows or Preferences on Mac. The goal is to reach the application settings area where features and add-ins are managed. Inside Settings, look for a Copilot section. It may appear under General AI Features or a dedicated Copilot tab. Turn on Copilot. You may see a brief notice about data use or terms. Review it and confirm to proceed. After you enable it, Copilot typically adds a button or panel to your app, often represented by a sparkle or Copilot icon in the ribbon or sidebar. If you don't see the Copilot toggle or it's grayed out, try a quick refresh. Close and reopen the app, sign out and back in with the correct account, and confirm the app is up to date. Also ensure your region and subscription support Copilot Pro. These small checks often make the toggle appear. That's it. You've enabled Copilot Pro in Microsoft 365. Look for the Copilot icon in your app to start drafting, summarizing, analyzing, or brainstorming right in context with your documents and emails. If you enabled it in one app, you can repeat the same steps in others to keep the experience consistent across your toolkit. Thanks for watching and enjoy working smarter with Copilot Pro.